a career in physical education?
Thank you so much for having me, ma'am. I am Bea Marie Zacaria, a recent graduate with a degree in physical education from Notre Dame of Visayan College. My interest in this field started with my love for sports and a desire to help others to live healthier lives. During college, I gained practical experience not just through academic work, but also participating in teaching internships and playing competitive softball. I've learned how movement can shape discipline, teamwork, and confidence in students, and I'm really motivated to bring that impact into the classroom.
That's great to hear. Based on what you know about our school, what made you feel this is the right place for you to grow as a PE teacher?
I've heard a lot of positive things about the way your school emphasizes both academics and physical development. What really stood out to me is your school's encouragement of student involvement in sports and wellness activities. I want to be part of a team that values physical education as an essential part of student growth, not just something on the side. I believe I can contribute to that kind of environment and help students discover the joy in being active.
Let me ask, can you share an experience when things didn't go as planned in your teaching and how you managed this situation?
Definitely. During my internship, I was assigned to lead a PE class where a few students were completely disengaged and didn't want to join the activities. At first, I felt frustrated, but I realized I needed to adjust. I changed up the lesson to include more games, and that felt like play rather than drills. I also talked to the students personally to understand their hesitation. Little by little, they started participating. That experience taught me the importance of being flexible and building relationships with students.
Thank you so much for your time today, Bea. I really appreciate the thoughtful answer you gave and the passion you've shown for teaching and physical education. We'll be reviewing all applicants carefully and will be in touch with you soon regarding the next steps. Do you have any question for me before we end the interview?
Yes, ma'am. I just wanted to ask, what are the next steps in hiring process and when I can expect to hear back? Also, are there opportunities for new teachers to get involved in extracurricular programs or coaching here in school?
Great questions. After this round of interviews, we'll be finalizing our short list and contracting successful applicants within the next week. After extracurricular activities, yes, definitely. We encourage our teachers to participate in sports club, intramurals, and even school-wide events. If you have a background in coaching or any specific sport, that would be a great asset.
That sounds wonderful. I'm really looking forward to any opportunity where I can contribute not just inside the classroom, but also through sports and school events. Thank you again for considering me.
You're welcome, Bea. It was a pleasure getting to know you today. We'll be in touch soon. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.